What are you guys doing? Kitties and string. He's up here.
It's on your foot. Timmy's like on your foot. That's so funny.
I was like, hey.
There goes Timmy's purr.
Ow. No. Go play with your string, please.
I like that incline a lot. I was gonna jump from there to there.
Be careful.
No, I just had a surgery. Sammy.
He's fine.
Oh, he's gonna love it because he's the one that likes the bowl. That's gonna be pretty pictures. This is like my one bed that I saved because it's white to take pictures with. Otherwise, it would get really gross really fast with these guys. Or any. Oh, he's getting his butt. She's got enough balls.
Just gotta make sure you're not actually eating it.
Yeah, I wouldn't leave him alone with that.
No.
They would eat the ends. Just like the puppy.
She's like, yeah, that's the part I like. She goes, that's the part I like.
It's so fun tearing things apart. Oh, Sammy's getting the crevice.
What do you think of your new bed?
They're like, the strings are pretty fun. Sammy all blends in. Binks is always on his own playing. Oh. He's like, I got it. Now where am I gonna hide? Binks.
He's doing his own thing back there.
Mm-hmm. He's always aware.
Took it.
Sammy again.
She took it from you, Minx.
You see some purrs still from Sammy? Like, nothing. That's nice. Oh. I like it. They're like, we'll sleep in this after we get all our energy out. These guys are really good meerkats. They're stealing their back legs. They're so funny that they do that so much. Here's those chilies. Is that so funny, please? Look, they all three took a turn to get in there.
They're playing with the same string. I don't think they realize that they're both.
Which is funny because then they end up playing with each other because one will pull it away from the other. Is this the fun? Is this the best ever? Oops. These things are fun to flick. This is the first time it's like light as a feather. She's like, wait, you got another one? Oh, thanks.
Go get it. You just photobombed.
He wants that to lead to somewhere.
Here's tempura.
She's our permanent
Mhm.
Aww. Look at that belly. Now they're all three playing with the exact same one. Oh! Binks, you got it. Oh, got the strawberry. That's like my favorite little toy. The chocolate dipped strawberry. They're like, oh, there's
Everybody's
nice
gonna have
water
a
here.
drink.
They kind of like forget and then they're like, oh, there's nice water here. You can't really see it, so they're probably like, what?